Hey, in this video, we will look at a few exam-style questions. Please also check out my other video, Maths, Time Basics. If you find this video helpful, please support me by clicking the subscribe button. Feel free to comment below with any questions or any other topics so that I can make more videos you will benefit from. Let's get started. Question 1. Football training starts at 7:45 p.m. The training lasts 95 minutes. What time does the training finish? To make the calculation easier, we can convert our 90 minutes to hour and minutes. Obviously, 95 equals 60 plus 35. So 60 minutes give us the 1 hour, and then we still have the additional 35 minutes after. Then we can go back to our starting time. 7:45 p.m. add 1 hour first, give us 8:45 p.m. And then for the 35 minutes we add it on top, I'm gonna separate that again. It's easier to look at it as 8:45 p.m. plus 15 minutes first to take us to the 9 p.m. and then add the additional 20 minutes, give us 9:20 p.m. So this is 15 minutes and 20 minutes make up our 35 minutes. Or if you're good with your analog, then you can just do 8:45 p.m. plus 35 minutes equals 9:20 p.m. So that's our final answer for question 1. Next example, question 2. Grace left her home at 9:40 a.m. She walked from her home to the shop. It took her 14 minutes to walk to the shop. Grace was at the shop for 10 minutes. Then she walked from the shop to the park. It took her 22 minutes to walk to the park. What time did Grace arrive at the park? For questions like this, we will need to break them down. For each sentence, it will give you one piece of information. So to start with, we have 9:40 a.m. is the time she left her home. Then she walked from home to shop. It took her 14 minutes. So we need to add 14 minutes to the 9:40 a.m. Now this would take us to 9:54 a.m. So that's up until this sentence here. Then we have the next sentence. Grace was at the shop for 10 minutes. Then we need to add that 10 minutes to the 9:54 a.m. You can do them separately if make it easier. So 10 minutes, if I add 6 minutes first, take us up to the 10 a.m. and then another 4 minutes to give us total of the additional 10 minutes. So now the time is 10:04 a.m. Next, she walked from the shop to the park and it took her 22 minutes. So now we need to add another 22 minutes. Therefore, we have 10:26 a.m. So the final answer is Grace arrived at the park at 10:26 a.m. Question 3. Nathan drives from Sheffield to London. He leaves Sheffield at 8:15 a.m. Nathan drives for 2.25 hours before stopping for a break. The break lasts for 25 minutes. Nathan then takes another 85 minutes to reach London. What time does Nathan arrive in London? Again, similar to question 2, each sentence will give us one piece of information. So we start from 8:15 a.m. So we write that down, 8:15 a.m. He drives for 2.25 hours. So now we need to convert our 2.25 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes. So a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So half an hour is 30 minutes, a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Therefore, to add to our 8:15 a.m., 2 hours after 8:15 is 10:15. Then add the 15 minutes, we have 10:30 a.m. So that's when he's stopping for a break. The break lasts for 25 minutes, so we need to add another 25 minutes from 10:30. Now we reached 10:55 minutes. Nathan then takes another 85 minutes to reach London. So now I need to add 85, but I'm gonna break it down to 60 and 25. The reason for that is it's easier to do our calculation because 60 minutes is an hour and then another 25 minutes. Because my previous answer was 10:55 minutes, I'm gonna further breaking it down to 1 hour and then 5 minutes and then 20 minutes when I do my addition. So I'm gonna add 1 hour to my 10:55. Then I have 11:55. Then I would add my 5 minutes. Now take it to 12 o'clock at noon. And then lastly, the 20 minutes added to the 12 give us our final time of 12:20 p.m. It's p.m. now because it's gone after midday. So the final answer is Nathan arrived in London at 12:20 p.m. Okay, this video ends here. We have completed 3 exam-style questions linked to time. Don't forget to check out my other video, Maths Time Basics. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Comment with questions or topics that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.